What good should we do today, fellas? Onions here, and today I'm going to show you how to host a server for Unturned. A lot of people don't know how to host a public server without having to use Hamachi. I personally don't like Hamachi, so I figured I might as well show you guys how to host a normal server that anybody can join without having to install any additional software. And if you don't know what Unturned is, it's a new free-to-play game that is pretty fun. It's like DayZ with Minecraft mixed together. So let's get started on hosting a server. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to the address of 192.168.0.1, and that should open up your router web page. And you're gonna have to log into here and enter your password if you have one set up. If you don't, then you should be able to just log in straight into here. And the next step is to find an option called port forwarding. Now that's really important because this is where everything will happen. So you can see right here I have port forwarding. For other people it might look different, the web page. All you have to do is find port forwarding. Open up that tab and it should be very similar to this. It should have a list with a name, IP address, and TCP port and UDP port. All you have to do is give your port forward a name, which is Unturned, and you need to know your local IP for your PC. To do that, all you have to do is type in CMD into your program list, and it will open up the command prompt. And in here, you type in ipconfig, and it will give you the IPv4 address for your computer. And mine is 192.168.0.192. And it's always the same because I am connected straight to the router through an Ethernet cable, so it never changes. But if you're wireless, for you it will be changing, so you might have to do re-forward the IP address and change the number at the end right here. But for me it's always the same. So you type in your IP address, and then you just type in the TCP port and UDP port. It's exactly the same as the default port, so it's a lot simpler for people to join. But you can change it to anything else, and then in the game you'll have to configure it. And the port is 25444 for TCP and 25444 for UDP. All you have to do now is save, and then restart your router if it asks you. If it doesn't, then you're good. And now we'll jump into the game and I'll show you how it works. Alright, so once you're in game, all you have to do is press play, then click host, and make sure the port is the same as the one you port forwarded, and just click host. And it should work just fine. Now the only way people can join your server is if you tell them the IP, and to figure out what your IP is, all you have to do is go into Google and type in what is my IP, and the other person should be able to join into your server. Any second. We're waiting for Legendary Evo to join in, and I already have a car. And there we go, my friend just joined in. As you can see, it says Legendary Evo connected. And now you don't have to use Hamachi or any of that stuff. It's just as simple as that. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to message me and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. But other than that, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay awesome, fellas.